Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create numbered list in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with this table. Now I create numbered list in this table. At first, you have to select some columns to insert create numbered list or select rows. Now I select these columns. Now go to format menu. Now you can see here are bullet and numbering option. Now click bullet numbered list menu. Now choose this one. Now you can see I create numbered list in Google Docs table very easily. You can choose another one. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.